everybody, guess what? The package arrived. We got the black boxer robot from Spin Master. Let's unbox it. Alright. It just arrived on late February's. Alright. Here it is. In January we did the blue original boxer. You could have a poppet thing. Alright. Alright, everybody. I think that's it. Alright, here's the boxer robot. But this time it's the black one. So I'm going to take a picture with Twilight Sparkle and Fluttershy. Yeah. I don't know if it is gonna work because of the. Alright, ready in 3. Sorry about that. I don't know if this is gonna work. Ready in 3. Sorry about that. I hope I don't get trademark of this. In 3, 2, 1. Alright. First, it's for ages 6 and up. So let's go unbox it. I hope it works. I think it opens right here. No, wait, hold on. And also, the Boxer app is available on iOS and Google Play. Well, I don't think it's not available no more. Or maybe it's only in Canada, because Boxer, but country is from Canada. Hold on, guys, I need a pen. Come on. There we go. Oh, there we go. It's about to be. Oh, there's the tape. Alright, everybody, hold on. I'll go pause the camera. Here's the robot. Oh, it's windy outside. And the batteries are dead. You have to charge him for now. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Oh, a ball. Alright. So, Elinor, what do you think? Oh, I forgot Elinor. She's in the living room. Let's put this. I'll put it under right here. Let me see. How does it open? Alright, let me see. Oh my god. It opens right here. Let's see, go. Alright, I think it's open actually. Oh, it's right here. Alright. And here's the remote control. Even it has with, the blue one doesn't have any, the levers. Alright. It goes, opens like this. It looks like a Wii U remote. It has with Joy-Cons, like a pedal. And here's the flyer. Alright, this information, but I'm not gonna show it. Here's the flyer. All you need to do is you gotta charge him I buy the E and the R train magnet. E for emo and R for robot. You know why? The R train magnet name is for the Win Fun robot because the robot said, "Hi, I'm a robot." It's like that. I'll show you at the end of the video. Or something going to the next episode. This is going to be E for emo for this robot. Like we did last time, last year. Box the S, B, and C. I'm not going to turn on B, C. And for Novie, B for Boxer, and C for Cosmo. I couldn't find the V. Maybe because of the got discontinued back in 2010. The train got discontinued 14 years ago. They got discontinued the V train. Alright, what do you think, Rosie?
Yeah.
Wait, where's Elinor?
Oh, Father, sorry I'm late.
Alright, Elinor. Well, we just unboxed the Boxer robot, the black one. Well, we're gonna go charge him in the next video. Alright?
Okay.
So that'll be it. I'm gonna start with the R and E train now. We'll see you guys on the part 2 tomorrow or later. Let's start with R and E, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Alright everybody, here's the eBay package. It just arrived, which is the blue Novie. I'm sorry everybody, couldn't buy in March just because I have to do everything so I can earn some money so we could get the emo for 20 more days until Easter. But guess what? The blue Novie from Spin Master has arrived. So we're gonna be unboxing. It just arrived in late March. Well, it's already April, guys. Sorry about that. Trying to remove the eBay logo. Jesus Christ. This tripod isn't good. We might have to use a different tripod. Since I don't have much time for the other one. Here is the blue one. Also, I just bought the Los Angeles Metro bus. I don't know when it's arriving, but maybe on the 3rd. And here it is. Alright. It's here. Oopsie, sorry about that. Also, alright. So we got this one. Yes, a new robot's here. Well, this is blue. Alright, let's unbox this, Elinor.
Yeah.
Let's see if I put batteries. If not, I might have to do this later. It's kind of similar to the green one. Well, there was no red because all of the red Novies are sold out with the box. Only they have with the different without instructions or box. But this one has. We don't need the instructions. Oh wait, but there's a lot of them. Since this is the same robot. Let's see if I put batteries. Alright. Oopsies. I have to do this quick. Alright, here's the robot. Well, I don't have much time right now because I have an appointment soon. Alright. I'll show you the others. It reminds me of the Harlem line, Hudson line, and New Haven line. Alright. What do you think? What do you think? What is your name?
Pony, Connecticut. My name is Shamrock. Pony, Connecticut.
Alright. The name is Pony, Connecticut, right, Rainbow Dash?
Yeah.
Ella the Fox?
Yeah. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it too.
Alright, the robot has arrived. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, I hope you like it. Yes, hope you guys like the unboxing video.
We will do the purple one just like you, Twilight.
Yeah,
Rarity,
yeah.
Fluttershy, Pinkie Pie, and Applejack. Well, guys, that's my unboxing video of the blue Novie for today. So, thank you for watching. It just arrived in late March. Alright, so that'll be it.